In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to reuse the same page in a PDF without rebuilding it from scratch, Adobe Acrobat makes the process quick and simple. This is especially useful when you're working with forms, reports, templates, or any document where one page needs to appear more than once. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a clear and easy way. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to edit is already on screen. Before you make any changes, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you have the correct file open, especially if you're working with multiple PDFs at the same time. Once your document is visible, you're ready to move to the page management tools. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the Adobe Acrobat window. You should see a vertical column of icons. In that column, click on the Pages icon. This opens the page view where you can see the pages in your PDF laid out as thumbnails. This view is helpful because it gives you a better visual sense of the document structure and makes it easier to choose the exact page you want to duplicate. Once the page thumbnails are visible, find the page you want to copy. Then right-click directly on that page. This will open a context menu with page-related options. Be sure you're clicking on the correct thumbnail, since the duplicate will be based on that exact page, including all of its content and formatting. After that, go to the place in the page layout where you want the duplicated page to appear. Right-click again in that location and select Paste. Adobe Acrobat will insert the copied page into that position in the document. This allows you to control where the duplicate goes, whether that's immediately after the original page or somewhere else in the PDF. Once the page has been pasted, take a moment to review the page order and make sure everything is in the right place. If needed, you can adjust the layout afterward, but in most cases, this method gets the job done very quickly. Finally, don't forget to save your PDF so the duplicated page is kept in the document. And that's all it takes to duplicate a page in Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when editing PDFs.